So the basic fundamental points that you can utilize in a tapping session begin right here. It's known as the karate chop point. You want to just tap light pressure, be firm, but light pressure here on the side of the hand, and it can actually be on either side of the hand, whichever one you feel more comfortable with. The next basic point is right here. This is called the eyebrow point. We'll just tap light pressure. Next one is right here on the side of the eye. The next basic tapping point is right under here, under the eye. And then the next one's right here under the nose. The chin point, it's right here in the crease, not down here low on the chin or up here by the lip, but right there in the crease. The next tapping point is right here on the collarbone. And again, you can go on either side or you can tap both if you'd like. And the next point is about 4 inches or so, a hand width or so below the armpit. And again, it can go on either side of the body. And last but not least, you finish up here on top of the head. And you can use one finger, or you can use all your fingers, but you just tap up here on top of the head. All right, so those are the basic essential tapping points that you can utilize in a tapping session. As always, dedicated to your success, keep on tapping, and thank you for joining us. Please subscribe to our video, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Until next time, I'm your host, Luke Evans. Thank you for joining us.